Do you remember the last idiom?
指鹿為馬
It is related to stag and horse. In the coming videos, I will introduce some interesting idioms and slangs which are related to animals. This time I would like to introduce a Cantonese slang. It is
拍烏蠅拍烏蠅
Its direct translation is slapping flies. Imagine if you are operating a business, but you have much time to slap flies. How good is the business? Surely, it should be bad. For example,
今日成朝都淨係拍烏蠅，一個客都冇。今日成朝都淨係拍烏蠅，一個客都冇。
in English, it means, today, we spent the whole morning only slapping flies. There was no customer, not even one. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.